So this is our 2017 BMW M240i. It has 28,500 miles on it. As you can see, it's got the black gloss grills. It's got the full M Performance body kit on it. The front splitter, side splitters. The whole car's been detailed, machine polished. It's got a lovely shine on it. It's got front and rear parking sensors. See, the bodywork looks lovely. And on the roof, there's no bird dropping stains or anything on the roof. And the wheels are all lovely. Then you've got the splitter down the side with the M Performance sticker. If we just zoom out, give you an idea. And then we'll come round to the back. This has also got the M Performance exhaust system with the carbon tips. And Dan's just going to start the car for us. Lovely sound there. And then we've got the carbon spoiler on the back, the boot lip. And then we're just going to have a look inside. And they've got the Harman Kardon sound system. Black gloss with the polished sort of opal finish, I think they call it. Pearl finish, I think it's called actually. Pro nav. Heated seats. Dual climate. All the seats are in lovely condition. Look in the rear. Just go around to the driver's side. Let's have a look in the boot. So in the boot, you've got the split folding rear seats and the cargo net. All nice and clean in there. Come round. Driver door card's all nice. All the seals are nice. Paddle shift. Cruise control, speed limiter. Auto wipers and headlights. 8-speed ZF gearbox, one of the best gearboxes on the market. And as I say, 28,500 miles. One of my favourites. Good value for money, a lot of power. Thank you for watching. Bye.